Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Surround yourself with people who believe you can. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 619, NASDAQ up 191, S&P's up 67, gold contract down $15.60, trading at $1,122 an ounce. Silver down 54 cents at $14.11 an ounce. Platinum up 2 at $9.80 an ounce. Copper down 5 pennies at $2.24 a pound. Light sweet crude off 34 cents, $38.97 a barrel. Bonds, the 10-year down 8 ticks, 127.26. 30-year off 2 points, 155.26. King dollar up 701 ticks at 95.24. The euro down 186 at 113, and the yen up a penny at 119.94. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? We take a look at the SPY first. This is what you have happening out here, folks. SPY out here today, we go to a price point. Isn't that? Oh, this SPY would be nice. SPY trading out at a price point of 194.68. And what we have out here is that we did volume out here of 325 million, which, by the way, is good volume. Yesterday we did 396. What this does put in game is that, we'll see how it attacks the 195.45. That was the high of yesterday. Just remember that you get this high volume swing low that's going to get tested. We'll see whether the bounce is on or not. The Qs, we take a look at the 3 Qs. What do you have with the 3 Qs? NDX 100. NDX 100 did 102 million shares. You got over the high, which was the 102.53. That's impressive. That's saying that the Qs can also go higher. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract traded down to a price point out here today of $1116.90. It rejected that price. You did 193,000 contracts. Bottom line, this is still saying gold wants higher price. We have a high volume swing high on the 24th. That high volume swing high is at a price point right now of 1169.80. So what gold has done, gold come off the bottom of 1082, goes topside up to 1169, pulls back. Volume still heavy, okay? But definitely lighter than the way up and lighter than yesterday, slightly. Silver, different ball game with silver, man. Silver's got to, basically show its stuff, okay? So if we go over to the silver market, we take a look at silver. This is what you have happening with silver. We're rolling contracts today in silver, and they rolled silver in a huge way, no doubt. Silver contract out here, SIZ5. Silver contracts traded down 53 cents. It broke its swing low. Bottom line, silver's got to get back inside $14.39. Bonds. What do we do with bonds now? This one's going to get really intriguing, and this is why. The bond market, folks, has given us the most consistent information for the longest amount of time. The 10-year bond out here is down 8 ticks today. We had 273,000 contracts, and that's big contracts, okay? What we haven't done yet is broken a swing point. So what I expect you're going to see out here tomorrow is that bonds are going to try to get into the price point of probably 127.04. Today we went to 127.25, and we'll see if the volume continues. Bottom line, we had the high volume spike on Friday. That gets to 129.28. You've pulled back today with volume. So this has to get under this level, reject this level in order for bonds to come back up to higher price and get up and over these highs that were generated out here in April. We go take a look at the 30-year. What do you have with the 30-year? 30-year did come down 2 points today. Right now, it's down 1 point and 28 ticks. 30-year also came down on volume. So the 30-year also, I suspect, will come into 154.21. And we'll see whether the volume dies down. If the volume doesn't die down, that's going to be a change of pace. That's what this comes down to. So we'll see if, in fact, that happens. Now, each one of those, okay, and this is, you want to wrap your head around it, each one of those has not come into a swing point or broken a swing point. Swing points, folks, are where the market talks, walks, and squawks. That's the bottom line. King Dollar. Let's go over to King Dollar. We take a look at King Dollar. What we have with King Dollar is this. King Dollar traded up 691 ticks today. You've done 80,000 contracts, which is impressive. We came down on 143,000. I suspect King Dollar is going to get trapped and stopped in its tracks at 95, 94. You still have that high volume swing low that is going to get tested. The larger issue, if we take this on a continuous contract, and you take a look at King Dollar, I put this back, and we'll put this on a weekly. And what you're going to see is that you broke your swing points down there on the 15th, and you broke them with velocity. So, number one, we're going to get down there. You know, we'll see whether it gets into lower price. But when we broke that swing point, it gives you a price projection of 85 on King Dollar. Let's go take a look at, we just had Workday come out with numbers. Workday closed at $72.40. This is a cloud-based application company. It closed at $72.40. It's trading right now at $74.40. Numbers go like this. So their revenue is $282 million. That was up 51%. This is a recent IPO, I believe. Their growth is 39 to 41%. Imagine growing like that. In the third quarter, they see revenue from $300 million to $303 million. So big numbers. There's no two ways about that. They're seeing some big numbers. Some of the high-volume stocks out here in the market out here today were this. Well, here, let's go to the Dow Industrials first. I'll show you the how this shakes out. Inside the Dow, every stock was positive. The Merck was the leader out here. That was up $3.25. Apple was second, up $5.95. Visa was next, $3.72. The laggard inside the Dow Industrials today was Coca-Cola. That was still up 74 cents. You stay right there, folks. We're going to be coming back with numbers from Williams-Sonoma. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. Dow Industrials closed up 619. NASDAQ up 191. S&P's up 64. We're going to be right back.